last days in Japan, I trained at San Mikoan restaurant in Kyoto, a dream venue beside the river. Mr. Yoshu and Mariko Tagawa and Mr. Kiyoshi Ito were absolutely kind with me, showing me every step of the soba process by machine, but also by hand. Apart from the noodles itself, they showed me how the broth is made, but also how they pick up the fresh ingredients and even the land where the buckwheat is harvested. I liked the training because I learnt a lot more about the grain itself, where it came from, how you know what good quality buckwheat is. I think that's the most valuable thing I got from San Mikoan. The opportunity to talk to one of the farmers, and he explained how his father started to harvest buckwheat. He also told me how important it is to combine different grains when harvesting to keep the health of the soil.
毎年変えます。ほんで1年目に黒豆か小豆、次の年にそば、で最終米。稲を続けて作ると収量がガクンと下がります。特にそばと豆類は続けて作ったらダメです。
As part of the training at San Mikoan, Mr. Yoshu and Mariko Tagawa recommended that I visit a matcha and sake factory. The great opportunity to meet Mr. Daisuke Morishita and his lovely mum, a family who has been harvesting matcha for many years. Daisuke-san explained to me all of the detailed process that matcha has, as well as its extraordinary advantages for health. After that, I met Mr. Yunichi Masuda, who told me how his family has been making sake for 350 years, and also showed me step by step how sake is made.
US China and Hong Kong, Singapore. These 4 countries are very, very popular with sake. Yeah. So first, we have to make the fermentation baby to take the fermentation. So that's a small tank. So by using this belt, we push it down into the tank directly. So, like a straw.
Oh, that looks disgusting. Oh wow, so this is
It's like a melted rice with the yeast.
that's the yeast?
So
This
it's
is
like a
like,
little bubble. My grandfather really loved the wine. He kind of want to make the vintage sake as a wine.
Yeah, like a wine cellar.
Yeah, so we are looking for the method, but nobody knows. But he luckily found out from the cooking books, which was published in Edo period, like 350 years ago. Yes, very old people made a vintage sake with this style and served for maybe like high-end samurai or high-end emperors. So he thought it's really cool, so he just started by following the exactly same steps. Yeah. So in that book they say, don't put in a glass bottle or a fridge. You have to make the ceramic barrel, put the sake inside. And
So why does it have to be ceramic?
because like if it's wood, like wine, sake doesn't have a strong flavor like grapes. So the flavor will be gone.
Ah, okay.
Wood gonna take it.
Yeah.
So ceramic is very
Holds
tight
in the
material.
flavor.
Yes. So we can just like, it doesn't get the air that much, but slightly goes in. So it's almost like a fully packed, but slightly they can bleed, slightly. So we put the cedar cork and covered by the Japanese paper. And this is a very old Japanese paper, because old paper is much better quality than
Thicker.
recently. Yes. Even for the paper we've been using like over 20 years. So when we bottle, we make it wet and peel it very carefully and dry it. Use it again. It's very old. And also, as you can see, there are some different shapes and colors.
Yeah.
So we've been still like experimenting for over 50 years. So like change the shape of the barrel and color material. So we've been still checking the best way. So sake should be no color, but we keep it at least 10 years, and then the color will be very gold, and taste will be warm, like a sherry, and like a honey flavor. So it's a very complex taste and flavor.
After the sake and the ceramics, I wanted to dig a bit deeper into this pottery world, so I visited the kiln of the 15th generation Chin Yukan family in Kagoshima. The Chin Yukan family arrived from Korea to Japan 423 years ago. Nowadays, they produce a wide variety of distinctive yet traditional shiro satsuma and kuro satsuma, works ranging from everyday items to tea ceremony instruments. The location by itself is an amazing and inspiring venue. Visiting Kagoshima, I heard about shochu, a similar drink to sake, but instead of making it only with rice, they mixed it with several kinds of sweet potato. I met Mr. Tekan Wakamatsu at his beautiful distillery. Oh, you don't have machine?
Yeah. No machine.
Wow.
No machine.
That is a lot of work.
Yeah, hard work. And like also rice and steam steam rice, and cool down at the koji, you know, and making sake important ingredients. Yes,
Oh,
mold,
yeah, the mold,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. It's same process. Shochu, sake, same process. We use koji. Koji, and this is koji room. Mold grows.
From
Nice.
the moist
Yeah, moist.
wood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wood. Keep
Okay.
moist. Yeah, 2 days grow this area
Yeah.
there,
Oh, wow.
making koji. Koji making acid and enzyme to sugar enzyme.
Yeah, which helps the fermentation. Makes it more exciting.
Yeah. More excited.
More flavour.
Yeah, more flavor. The sweet potato, many starch into the hot steel. ダメージとか too big cup.
He explained to me how shochu was the result of the soil conditions. It seemed that in Kagoshima it's difficult to grow rice, so they took advantage of what first seemed as a disadvantage, and they created this fantastic drink which is called shochu.
どっちがいいかな。リアクションとしては、これは2 years ago making sweet potato。これこうオイルシングルディスティルだからこう this potato is 2 years mature。こっちはホワイトスイートポテト。こっちはレッドスイートポテ
Is that white sweet potato as well?
ト。
That
Sorry?
one is white sweet potato as well.
これはレッドスイートポテト。
I'm a bit scared of my glasses falling in. At the beginning, I believed that all of the locations weren't directly related with soba and mochi, but talking with all of these genuine local people, I understood that all of these elements are in absolutely direct relationship. Japanese cuisine is a multi-layered culture, and you cannot cook a single element without understanding the importance of all of the components, from the good wishes of harvesting to the healthy impact of each ingredient. The biggest lesson I've learnt on this trip, I would say I've learnt that everything that is made in Japan is made for a reason that follows the main pattern of respect. Yes, respect. Respect for health and nature. I feel extremely grateful for this experience, and I cannot wait to put everything into practice when I get back to London.